For you veterans and active duty service members out there thinking about using the VA home loan benefit, so know that the VA loan entitlement, so the entitlement is what guarantees that loan for you so you don't have to make a down payment, okay? The VA entitlement is generally going to be around 25% of the loan amount. So if the home purchase price is $200,000, then the VA will guarantee 25% of that, or $50,000. Eligible veterans in most parts of the country have a primary entitlement, which is going to be $36,000, and an additional secondary entitlement, also referred to as second tier entitlement. That amount is $145,550. So when you add those two numbers together, you have a total VA entitlement available of $181,500. This is where it gets fun. So if you already have a VA loan on a home and you're debating on selling it or not so that you can purchase a second home, hold fast. What can happen is you could keep that home and use your second tier VA entitlement, so the remaining amount of entitlement that you have available to potentially purchase a second home, as long as you're going to live in that home as your primary residence with no money down. Every scenario is different, so it's not necessarily going to be a guarantee that this can happen. So you want to reach out to your trusted local VA experienced lender because they need to calculate, number one, how much entitlement are you currently using on your home? And if you're going to keep that home, how to calculate how much entitlement you have remaining to be able to purchase a second home without having to make a down payment. So if the first home that you purchased was $200,000, you would have used $50,000 in entitlement. You subtract the $50,000 of entitlement that you have used from the total maximum guarantee that the VA provides of $181,550. That means you have $131,550 in entitlement available. When you multiply that by 4, you get a number of $526,200. That means, what all of this means is you could buy a second home without selling the first home, as long as you qualify financially, for up to $526,200 with no down payment. And that's how you can have two VA loans out at the same time.